For decades, medical professionals have relied on ADC's hospital-proven technology. Today, we're introducing our next generation of digital blood pressure monitors that deliver this trusted clinical accuracy straight to your home. With this evolution, the Advantage line keeps the focus on advanced measurement technology, thoughtful designs, and easygoing comfort, while simplifying model options and, remarkably, lowering costs. The new line includes 4 models, 3 upper arm styles, and our first ever connected wrist monitor. All capture systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, and heart rate. And all measure on inflation for faster, more comfortable readings. Our entry-level unit, the Advantage 6112, offers reliable everyday monitoring with all the essentials, including an extra-large LCD display for instant clarity and generous memory storage for 2 separate users. More advanced features, like irregular heartbeat detection, ensure every reading is both quick and stress-free. For enhanced visibility, step up to the Advantage Plus 6121. It features a backlit screen and includes advanced tools like the MAM Advantage Average Mode and a color-coded indicator to give you superior reliability and instant at-a-glance insights. Our top-of-the-line Advantage Connect 6024N doesn't just measure, it connects. Built-in Bluetooth instantly syncs with our free ADC at-home app to graph, track, and securely store unlimited readings. And when it's time to share, send readings to your doctor via text or email in seconds. Finally, for connected monitoring in a compact size, meet the all-new Advantage Connect 6115 wrist monitor. It's perfectly packaged for life on the go, delivering all the premium features in a smaller unit. Plus, we've added extra conveniences like audible prompts and a guest mode for readings that you don't need to save to memory. Whether you need simple and reliable tracking or more in-depth data and connectivity features, our new and improved line of Advantage digital home blood pressure monitors makes it easy to track, understand, and take charge of your heart health. See the full Advantage line and learn more at adctoday.com/ADC at home.